Okay. I guess I'm just going to talk briefly about the stairs. So these are small stairs with precast treads. They are partially fabricated in the shop. So the stringers and the risers are all fabbed in the shop, and then they're brought out here in sections, and then they actually install everything, piece everything together in the stairwell. So the building in general has to have a certain amount of egress. So there's 3 stairwells in this entire building. We use them initially for construction purposes. So the quicker we get it out here installed, the better it is for us to get all our construction supplies up and down to the building.